Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you watch this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today we've got a little unboxing from DLT Trading Company. I seem to buy more than a few knives from there. And before we get into it, I just want to thank all the channel members. Thank you guys more than you know. I appreciate you so much. And I want to thank any of you who are coming through to just check out my knife and EDC content. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, and you're so inclined, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll really help me out. So I think I'm going to try to go into this from the side, and I'm going to use my little Amazon unboxing knife. All right. So let's close this up. See what we got in here. It looks like we have a Boker something. And as you guys might remember, let me see if I can put my hand on it. I picked up, I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago, kind of a little nice Boker. And so I saw this one on DLT Trading, and it's piqued my interest. So this is a little bit different. Solingen, Germany. And this, friends, is the Boker AK1 and G10 handles in a Tanto. Check that little beast out. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, the 129504 is the model number. Solingen, Germany. See how it's got the little lanyard loop? I'll probably keep that one out. So this, let's break out my nicer one. This is a more premium version. It's an RWL 34, which I think this one is in N690. But for this little fixed blade, that is all you need. And it comes with a little Kydex sheath, which suits me just fine, as opposed to our leather sheath. So let's do this. Let's get some paper. Very sharp, compound grind. Most of that's cutter airs, guys. Very pokey stabby. Stick it on the strop. Get it keened up a little bit. But yeah, guys, I saw that at DLT. It was not as expensive because it was in N690 as was my first one. It was not cheap. It is still made in Solingen, Germany, in N690, and just a beautiful little Tanto. I had the reverse Tanto first, which I really like. And when I saw the Tanto, it was just too cool for the room. I had to jump on it, guys. So that is my Boker AK1 reverse Tanto in RWL. Now it has, let's see what kind of clip we got here. I've got a couple of ulti clips. This looks just like a regular, not bad. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's real quickly stick our clip on it. This is nice because the screws aren't already Loctited in there. We've got everything we need. It's not an ulti clip, but it has a very thick, stiff clip. So I think what we'll be able to do is mount this little guy. I don't want to go in any deeper than that. I want it right here. And right, you know, I know what I need to do. That was a mistake. That was a user error on Javon's part. Javon needs his grommet on the inside here, like so. Because I'm going to mash that down here in just a second, and I'm going to have to position my other one in place, which my guess is that will be easier done like so. Yeah, right there. And right there. Now, I might switch this out for an ulti clip. That is yet to be seen. But for right now, that'll let me just drop it in my pocket. That's a pretty stiff clip, but it definitely holds. Easy to get the retention out. Not as easy to get it off my pants, but that's what you want. So guys, thank you for watching my unboxing. That's not a review, just an unboxing of the Boker AK1 in N690 with an American Tanto. I appreciate each and every one of you. All I ever ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.